Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to download the Ria Money Transfer app so you can start sending money internationally right from your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for Ria Money Transfer. Look for the official app published by Ria Financial. Then tap Install and wait for it to finish downloading. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store and search for Ria Money Transfer. Send money. Tap Get, authenticate if necessary, and the app will begin installing on your device. Once the app is installed, open it. You can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. From there, you'll be able to send money, track your transfers, view exchange rates, and find pickup locations in just a few taps. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Ria Money Transfer app and you're ready to use it to send money easily and securely from your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.